Alloy workshop.
It is mainly used to synthesize electrolytic lead into lead alloy for casting plate grid.
Grid casting workshop. We have a total of 12 plate casting machines, divided into 6 positive and 6 negative. Lead powder workshop. There is a 28-ton lead powder machine and 4 powder silos. Grid pasting workshop. There are 2 mixing machines to pasting machine. Polish and cutting machine. There are 2 machines in total. One is mainly divided into 2 plates for middle and large capacity battery. And one is mainly divided into 4 total 12 plates for small capacity. Middle and large capacity assembly line. It is composed of for casting welding machines, short circuit polarity detection through wall welding machine, internal resistance detector, heat sealing machine, air tightness detection machine, color glue and curing furnace, with a total length of 42 meters. Small capacity assembly line. There are 6 casting welding machine, capping machine, capping curing furnace, turning machine, color glue machine, color glue curing furnace. The total length of 41 meters. Electrolyte filling and charging workshop. After charging, clean the battery. Packing workshop.